My name is Ken Reed, and we are now looking at exterior building components, the wall display page from the DYO Green Building Decision Kit. And in that we'll be looking at windows under 7A. We will be looking at daylighting other than using windows for 7B, awnings, overhangs, and shading for 7C. 7D is exterior doors, types and ways to use those, insulated doors versus wooden, things like that. Exterior skin options for buildings. Drainage planes, which are very important and often overlooked in the construction of buildings or the remodeling of buildings, and other ideas and extras for exterior options.